Antimalware Service Executable is a service component of Windows Defender. However, this process can be extremely power-intensive, and it's common for Antimalware Service Executable to drive your CPU to maximum capacity. So to fix this, here's what you should do. First, you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to see if the problem solves itself. Now, if the problem resolves itself in a few minutes, your Antimalware Service Executable process and your PC as a whole is working as intended. But if that did not work, prevent scan loops by skipping Antimalware Service's own folder. And in order for you to do it, open Settings, click Update and Security, choose Virus and Threat Protection. Then under these settings, tap on Manage Settings. Then you have to scroll down to Exclusions and add folder for Windows Defender. Another method you can try to do is to schedule Defender scans. Do it by opening Task Scheduler, expand the Task Scheduler library, select Microsoft, choose Windows, open the Windows Defender icon, click Windows Defender Schedule Scan, click Triggers, select New, and then select when you want your scans to start and restart your PC. While Windows Defender Firewall is a great tool, it also tends to hog memory and CPU power, so you might want to disable Defender and use a less intensive malware service instead. And those are the ways on how you can fix high CPU usage from Antimalware Service Executable. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.